Hi friends!
Bridal Veil Falls are found on beautiful Manitoulin Island, Ontario. This picturesque waterfall is a true gem, and one of the island's must-see attractions. Located near the town of Kagawang, Bridal Veil Falls is fed by the Kagawang River, which flows from Lake Kagawang to the north channel of Lake Huron. The falls are about 11 meters, or 36 feet high, creating a stunning curtain of water that's simply mesmerizing to watch. Getting to the falls is easy. There's a parking lot nearby, and from there, you can reach the falls via a set of stairs. The short walk is definitely worth it for the incredible views. Once you arrive, you'll find that the area around the falls is perfect for swimming. On a warm day, you can take a dip in the refreshing pool at the base of the waterfall.
Thank you very much.
It's a great spot to cool off and enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. Besides swimming, Bridal Veil Falls offers plenty of opportunities to explore. You can spend a few hours here, taking in the sights and sounds of nature, hiking along the trails, or enjoying a picnic with family and friends. Whether you're an adventurer or just looking for a peaceful place to relax, Bridal Veil Falls has something for everyone. It's a beautiful escape into nature and a wonderful way to experience the charm of Manitoulin Island.